Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be talking about traditions and how creating little traditions can be an important part of daily life. Lately I've become much more introspective, and this, unfortunately for me, has led to a sort of spiral of confusion and doubt in taking my next steps in life. The traditions I've put in place for myself this year have had a grounding effect, and I hope to inspire others to take the same action, hopefully with similar results. So, without further ado, let's get into it. So, the most notable tradition for me this year has been making handmade valentines for all my lovely friends that I've made over the years. I look forward to doing it, and it's very satisfying knowing that I've communicated how much I love them all. Additionally, it gives me an excuse to express my creativity, which is one of the best perks, as right now my life is pretty much just revolving around work, which is fine, but not so fun. So this year is my second year doing these cards, but I know I'll be doing it forever and ever. So to make these cards, I visited my local craft store for supplies. I picked up some brown cardstock, as you can see here, and envelopes, as well as some stickers, ribbons, and washi tape from the Valentine's Day section. The total cost of the supplies came out to around $50, but I definitely could have done this for cheaper. I just wanted this to be the prettiest mail my friends had ever seen. I had a blast making these, and it was a fun challenge to make each card unique. So I love the doilies and the paper flowers and the sparkles. I think they just look really classic and really fun, and I hope they enjoy. So then I wrote each person a nice personalized note on there, just telling them how much I love them and appreciate their friendship, which is obviously a lot. I then took some sealing wax and went ahead and sealed these up with some red wax. I got this kit off of Amazon, and I bought separate sealing stamps that are like flowers and plants on each one, and they are so pretty. They are the most gorgeous, I think, option that Amazon has. I know Etsy has a bunch of great options as far as sealing wax stamps go, but these were the prettiest ones I could find on Amazon. So just go ahead and press that in there, seal it all up. And after I did this, I went ahead and went to the post office to inquire about how much postage I would need to send these, and I was informed that because there is a waxed seal on it, that it would cost 20 cents extra, so I just went ahead and did that. So, as you can probably tell, I had a great time doing this, and it's kind of proof that it's alright to make traditions on your own. Oftentimes we think of traditions as something we do with others, and yes, that's great, making memories and whatnot, but there's something to be said for the fulfilling nature of personal traditions. I believe it's especially important for us to make these small traditions for ourselves, particularly now when all of our typical activities have been disrupted. So your tradition can take as much or as little effort as you wish. Perhaps creating a monthly tradition of making a nice dinner for yourself, or taking a hike on the weekends with your friends in the forest. Or even a weekly tradition involving a self-care routine to kind of unwind and relax. Even a nightly cup of your favorite tea can be a little something to look forward to. These traditions can be put in place to act as a structural support in your life, giving you something to look forward to and helping you make sense of the world around you. So, send your friends Valentines or plan a pizza party with yourself every month. Let this be your excuse to unleash your creativity, or just to relax and allow yourself to feel like you. So, go forth with positivity and creativity, and have a lovely rest of your day. Bye!